Today I'm going to show you how to make omurice. So the first thing I'm going to do...
Received a call from 2018 and it gave me its viral recipe.
You're going to need a lot of eggs.
I'm only going to use 3 eggs.
To cut the white.
Cutting the whites.
You're going to strain this egg.
I'm going to strain it and use a spatula to save 50 cents worth of eggs.
Nice. About 700 grams. Add 70 grams of cream.
So it's a 1 to 10 ratio. I think I forgot to strain it onto a scale, but no need to worry. I'm gonna take an identical bowl, tear it, and then measure the bowl with the eggs in it. Done. Yeah!
Alright, now this egg mix is done.
Give it a light whisk and leave it alone.
Now I'm gonna make the fried rice part. Most of the people do it with onions and chicken. That's a classic version.
I am embarrassed to announce that I don't have onions anymore, so I'm gonna use a shallot.
Only poor people use onion.
I like to cut it a little bigger too.
I'm gonna cut my radioactive chicken into smaller sizes so that it cooks faster.
Just melt a few butter.
Melt some butter.
And put the chicken in.
And put the chicken in.
Then you will put the onions.
And put the onions. Oh, I mean shallots.
You're gonna saute the onion until it's like getting clear. So it's time for me to put the rice.
When the shallots are getting burnt, I'm gonna put in the rice.
This is actually what my grandma taught me. I was like very strict, like Shintaro, if you're gonna cook rice, do not touch rice. Just flip the pan. That's how you do.
My grandma said no such thing, so I'm gonna touch it.
Homemade ketchup.
Factory made ketchup.
The demi-glace sauce, I use a veal stock and tomato, red wine, honey, and all the other ingredients in it, and just like keep reducing it for 3 days straight.
I'm gonna use a barbecue sauce disguised as demi-glace that I left in the fridge for 3 months straight.
Flip it over to mix the rice and sauce.
And flip it over to mix the sauce and rice. Alright, back to touching then.
Put it on a mold, put it on a plate, and just gonna rest it.
Put that in a mold and put it on a plate and then leave it alone.
Make the omelet, which is the most difficult part. So what you need is a 8-inch skillet, non-stick pan, as new as possible.
I scrubbed the pan really well so it looks as new as possible.
All parts of the pan.
The entire pan is coated with oil.
And the egg you just mixed.
And the egg we just mixed.
Move your pan up and down and round, circle your chopsticks.
Move my pan up and down and circle with my chopsticks.
Looks like this.
And go like this.
Fold it.
Fold the side.
Some people don't even like try to fold it.
Glad I'm not some people.
Nice job, team.
Takes out the top part. Then you tap it.
Takes out the top part and I tap it.
And just like flip.
And we flip.
Wrinkleless, nice football shape, and just feels sexy.
Full of wrinkle, not football shaped, but still sexy.
And just nicely put this omelet on top of the rice. Boom.
Nicely put this omelet on top of the rice. Boom.
Cut it open. Bam.
Cut it open. Bam.
Top with homemade demi-glace sauce.
Some home-labeled demi-glace sauce. Some people eat with their eyes first, but I eat with an open mind.
I don't mind letting you down easy, but just give it time.
It has a lot of good breakfast flavors. It's just nothing special because I overcooked the egg so much. I do want to practice and make it again. I can see it being really good. You guys should try it too. Alright, thank you.